Good day everyone. Learn how to increase the download speed of Google Chrome in laptop or desktop in just 60 seconds. So you can increase the download speed and overall the browsing speed in Google Chrome by just doing only 2 steps. So open your Google Chrome and at the top right, in the address bar, just type Chrome : / flags and hit enter. Now here we need to search for the flags, and here we will search parallel downloading and you will find it right there. Enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed, Mac, Windows, Linux, and you can do the same in Android as well. So it is disabled. I'll just click on that and click on enable, and it will ask you to relaunch it. And once you relaunch it, click on the top right corner and the 3 dots and then go to extensions and then go to manage extensions and make sure you do not have any unwanted extensions in your Google Chrome browser. Once you are done, close it and reopen it and check the download speed. It will be definitely a better download speed. You will get the better download speed. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.